Hey everybody, welcome back to Katie Outdoors. Here we are today with our little friend Mr. Squirrel. We're gonna got him in the trap and I'm going to show you how I skin them and prep them for cooking. Stay tuned. Got my little squirrel here, little female squirrel. Looks like got little nipples on her. Anyway, they say to cut the tail for skinning right along the vent there. So cut along the vent, open that up a little bit to find that bone that's right there, the backbone. Cut through that bone. You want to cut through there because last time I didn't cut through the bone, and when I pulled it, I pulled half of the back strap off. So I'm just going to take my little cutters here and cut through that tailbone right there. So when I pull the skin, just the skin comes, not the bone. There I am. I'm through it. So make a little further cut there, right there and there. Step on the heel, they say, and pull. Or step on the tail and pull the feet. So I'm going to do that right quick, and I'll be right back with you. I'm going to put my foot on the tail, right there. I might not have cut enough. And blood all over my shoes. And pull. Yep, didn't want that to happen. Okay, so what we do is we learn by trial and error, don't we? So I'm going to cut back a little more on the fur, get that started a little bit better. And try it again. Okay. There we go. Alright, now get my foot on it and pull up. Yep, just like clockwork. Pull, 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 pull. Straight up. Pull it right off. Yeah, just pull it right out. What the heck? Pull the whole thing out. There we go. Just trim the back a little bit and pull the fur back. I'm not going to be able to save the tail on this one. I already pulled the tail off, so just pull it. Give it a little tug. If you get to a tough spot or something, rather than pull the whole thing in pieces, just use your knife. Make little cuts there where you need to. Don't be afraid of that. Get that fur off my fingers. I don't want that on the meat, really. Just pull it down. I'm not a veteran squirrel skinner, so it's new to me too. So, but here we go. We're doing it. Mass in motion is easier to steer than a mass on his behind. Pull the little feet out. Pull this little foot out. Pull the insides out through the entrail there. Well, didn't want to, but I did. So, and go back up on the cutting board. Okay, here we are. So, I'm going to take the head, well, cut this breastbone open right here, first off. Get my knife in there. Get some guts out. All the way down through. Right down through the pelvic. And we'll pull these guts out. Okay. Got the head cut off. Got it gutted. I rinsed it off with the hose, rinsed out the guts in there. Take my little cutters here, and get rid of them little feet. Just cut through the bones. Take my knife and cut it off. Could have just done that with the knife, but hey, whatever. And there's that. And the last thing I want to do is cut the rib cage open right there through the breastplate. Look in there. Looks like everything's out. We'll rinse it off a little bit better, and we'll be good to go. Get this one cleaned up, sauteed, put it in some water, clean the sawdust off it from the wood, and we'll go from there. There's my squirrel. So now I have 3 squirrels, and I need 6 for my recipe, so here we go.